Philippines!
It is 12:47. Say good afternoon, everything. Good afternoon, guys. So, you wanna go out? Let's go out. Kausap ko lang yung ama nila, guys. Not long time ago. Okay, let's check the vegetables. Okay, let's check. Oh my goodness. Look, yung eggplant ko, guys, eggplant. Yung ano ko dito, scallion ko. Yung salad ko is lumaki naman sila. Look, lumaki. Hala, what happened here? Oh my goodness. Who did this? Roxy did this? Ha? Tignan nyo to, guys. Roxy did? Who did this? Natumba, ha? Oh, ito yung mga God. Natumba. Oo. Okay. Okay, ang saya naman dito, eh. Lumaki na yung gulay. Yung mga salad ni Tami. Salad ni Mr. Look. Sensitive sa init. At saka yung tomato. Okay, come. Good afternoon, guys. Hurry up. I'll give you bonsi. Ay, may nagtumba talaga dito, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Kakain ako and din aalis. Come here, I'll give you something. My hub-hub, oy, is starving man na. Mama, you're starving as mama, oy. Sabi pa ni Hubs, ginugutom nyo kami, mama ba? So, alis po ako, guys. Punta lang ako sa Adams. And then, gulay-gulay. And then, meat. So, yun. Kasi maghanap tayo. Maghanap pa rin ako ng guyabano for Tami. Kasi nangala pa rin si Tami, guys. Nangala-ngala pa rin si Tami. And Homie baby. Dimples. Dimp. If I can open this, where are you? Dimple alert. Oh my God. You can't wait. Put your nails down. So, kakain lang ako ng lunch kasi it's almost 1 o'clock na. And yun, late ako nag-vlog kasi nag-ano lang ako, nag-relax, nag-edit. Kausap ko lang si Tami. Sabi ko sa kanya, I miss kalinayan, and then he doesn't understand what is kalinayan. Wala naman kalinayan dito. Rice ba? Rice na, yung pulang rice sa Pinas. Ang bango niyan, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, na-miss ko yun. Merong red rice dito, pero iba yung kalinayan talaga. Kasi yung amoy ng kalinayan is the best. Lalo na pag may dried fish. Alam niyo ba yung kalinayan, guys? Ng red rice na ang bango-bango. So, yun siya. And then, pagkatapos nun, nasabi ko na lahat yung karanasan ko sa Pilipinas. Nakikinig lang siya, guys. And then, sabi ko sa kanila, alam niyo ba, noong bata pa ako, kasi ako yung panganay, di ba? So, doon lang ako sa bahay. Bantay ng mga kapatid ko. So, pag alis ng mama at papa ko, ang gagawin ko is, magluto ako ng isang basong rice sa maliit na kaldero para lang makakain ako ng marami habang andun sila sa kasi yung rice is kasiyahan na namin noon. Hira lang kami makakain ng rice kapag may pera. Mostly talaga corn, yung mais na bigas. Magluto ako talaga ng rice. One time, nasakpan ko ni mama. Hindi man nasakpan, patungo na si mama, pauwi na ba? And then, kain ako ng rice salad, tinapon ko lagi yung dukot. Masarap man yung dukot. Sabi ko, sagbutan. Doon ko, tinapon ko sa sagbutan. Nag-enjoy na ako sa dukot. Pagkita ko, pag ganun ko sa ano namin sa likuran. Si mama yan, patungo na. Wala, tinapon ko na. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Mama will be right back, okay? She said, I don't care. I don't care, mother. Tulog lang siya. Ginanon lang yung ulo niya. And then, bumalik agad. Sinabihan ko si Tammy, guys, ba? Tungkol sa condo niya sa Florida. Kasi may condo siya, di ba? So, may condo siya doon. And then, yung best friend niya, gusto niyang, kasi wala nang nagre-rent, kasi ibibenta. So, ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, ibenta mo na yon habang marami pang mga taong gustong magpunta sa Florida, ganon. So, yun, sabi ko sa kanya. So, tumawag yung kaibigan niya kahapon daw. Kasi tumawag dito. And then, sabi ko, tawagan mo yun sa cellphone niya kasi nagtrabaho. Buti na lang sinabihan ni Tammy na kailangang ibenta na yun. Kasi sabi pa ng kaibigan niya, nasa realtor kasi yun. De, kailangan daw ayusin yung, leaking. May nagli-leak kasi daw sa, sa ceiling. So, sabi ko sa kanya na ibenta na kasi mas wala na, hindi na tayo nakatanggap ng rent kasi pinalayas natin yung, hindi yun pinalayas, pinaalis namin guys kasi sobrang baba ng rent. 500 lang yung rent. Sabi ko, so sinabihan ni Tammy, so sabi pa niya, o sige, gagawin natin yan pero kailangan lang daw talagang ayusin yung naglilik sa sa ceiling. Hopefully guys, mabinta na yun guys kasi malaki na yung nagasto doon. Nagbabayad pa kami ng lights, nagbabayad pa kami ng monthly kasi condo nga siya, 'di ba? So nagbabayad ng monthly 400 ata, 400 something. Few years ago it was like it was 350 and then mga ilang years tumaas yung monthly. Hindi siya parang maintenance. So para pang maintenance nila, ganun. So sabi ko, if we don't have kung wala tayong mga pets, I will probably go over there and fix it myself. I mean, I cannot fix the ceiling, but I can repaint, look for a furniture, and I can live there. We can live there. Pero sabi ko, ibenta mo na kasi parang gumagastos pa tayo ng malaki doon sa bahay na yan, sa condo na yan. So yun yung guys, balita-balita, ang agta ng alata. Sa Adams tayo, maghanap tayo ng tawag nun, ampalaya yung hinahanap ko.
It's gonna be horrible weather. We're gonna cancel. Oh, wait. I've worked in much worse days than this, and they decide you're gonna cancel it. And I asked them, well, why are you canceling Wednesday? Why don't you cancel Friday?
Oops.
Friday on Thursday instead of Wednesday. Because Friday's supposed to be really bad weather. No, Wednesday. What the so now what? So now they're gonna cancel Friday at the last minute and push it into next week.
So they're gonna cancel every day and you won't even know. So you're spending the whole day over there until when, I don't know. It's crazy.
It's bullshit. Because you know what? The weather forecast didn't change. It said severe thunderstorms and heavy rain 4 days ago on the weather forecast. So it's not like, the weather forecast just changed. No, it's exactly the same as it was days ago. I know they canceled Wednesday because they didn't have anybody to cover, doing the screens and stuff.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I know, because one of the main guys that's there, Wednesday is his day off. And the other crew that's there, one guy's on vacation for 2 weeks, he's only Sunday.
Okay, so drive careful. I will call you when I'm out here.
Yeah, well now I gotta drive back. The traffic on the highway is so heavy when I'm on side roads.
Okay, pay attention with your drive. I will talk to you when I'm out of here.
Alright, love you. Talk to you later.
I love you too. I wish I knew I can drive over there and spend time with you.
I wish I knew. I could drive over there. Whatever. This is fucking stupid. Alright,
Go to sleep and relax. That's all you have to do.
yeah. Oh, remember, that I told you this when they canceled Wednesday. You remember we telling you why they canceled Wednesday, they should have canceled Friday.
Okay guys, aggravated na si Mister. Nagagalit na siya kasi palagi nilang kinakancel yung niya. So, hindi niya malalaman hanggang late na talaga. So, cancel ng cancel, and then pagkatapos niyan, so he spend more time over there, no work in the other house. So siya lang daw mag-isa, so galit na galit kasi twice na itong nangyari. Hindi pinagsasabi sa kanila ng maaga, and then bukas uulan na naman the whole, and today is Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday uulan, and then may trabaho siya, and then hindi nila pinagsasabi kung kinakancel ba dahil sa ulan. So yun, nakakairita, naiirita yung isa.
Good door. Where are you at?
I get out from Hannaford, Adams,
Okay.
and they don't have bitter melon. And so I came here at Lowe's across the street because maybe they have one. So hopefully they have.
Okay.
And how's the traffic?
Traffic sucks. I take
Crazy.
sideways, but it works.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Bumili ako nito isa na naman para sa plant ni Bianan. Okay. Okay, ito lang yung nabili ko guys dito, mga bulaklak konti. Konting bulaklak. Kailangan ko itong ilagay sa ito.
Be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all this.
I'm here sa tayo sa Market Fresh whatever restaurant, grocery store. Hanap tayo ng guyabano ni Tami, and then galing ako Lowe's. Nag-Lowe's guys, walang bitter melon.
Hello.
Hi baby.
Hang on.
So I'm out at Lowe's and I'm out at Market Fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you find what you're looking for?
I found some.
Bitter melons?
Yeah, a bit. No, it's not a real fruit. It's a real fruit, but it's in something. I will send you the picture.
Yeah, but I thought you're looking for bitter melon seeds or plants.
A bitter melon. I'm looking for your guyabano thingy.
Oh.
And the bitter melon, they don't have it.
Alright, maybe you can order from Amazon.
No.
Why?
I don't know. I will probably, but it's too late now. It's forever to order.
Oh, it's 2 days it comes in. Looks like it's gonna rain any minute, but it's not raining yet.
Yeah, looks like it's going to rain over here too.
back in my pajamas again.
You're in your pajama?
Yeah. Well, no point sweating up the clothes. Unlimited clothes. I already did laundry, so.
Habs, I said Habs bye-bye. He ignored me. He looked at me and then put his head back to the freaking pillow fish. I said, bye bag, I'll be right back. Look at me and drop his head back to the pillow. The fish, I play the fish.
He's so cute. I wish he wasn't so afraid of cars. I would take him once in a while with me. Like, he's just hanging out here until I get back from work.
No, he's so nervous.
I know, I wish he wasn't.
I hope we'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope we'll be your destination.
Bumili ako ng sili at atsal. Sili at atsal. Yun. And more talong. Dalawang talong. Talong-long-long. Alalalalong. Look. Lupa pa more. Muna yung akong gastuhan, guys. Ayaw kong gumasto para sa sarili, pero gusto kong magasto para sa lupa. Gusto kalaban sabot. Hold on. Hold on to your body. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Fresh Market. Maggata tayo, guys. Maggata. Ito siya. Bukas ko na tulutuin. And, oh my God, ang bango nito, guys. Parang parang nasa CR ko, look. Parang nasa CR po tayo. 10 bucks po ito, guys. Malaki naman siya, diba? And, of course, labo. Ginanon ko pa talaga, guys, oh. Para malaman natin na labo siya. Maganda yung quality ng squash. At ito yung ano ni Mr. Look. So, Guyavano. It says soursop nectar. Nectar lang pala siya, oy. So, yun. So, ito yung iinumin ni Tami. So, hopefully, pure na pure siya. Walang halong iklabo at ganok. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, ikakat natin ito, guys. $10 po ito. $1.99 per pound. 5 pound. 5.10 pounds po. Ito. Okay lang naman siya. Hindi man siya masyadong kamahalan. Ikat natin, guys, ha. So, it is fresh. Ang bango. Grabe, ang bango. Ay, masarap ito. Ilong agin. Na. Puro man ito, ano. Wala masyadong unod. Habs, this is not for you. Ginoo ko. Itong si Habs talaga. This is not for you, boy. Ang bango, guys. Preskong-presko talaga yung amoy niya. So, yun. Ang gagawin ko is, linisin, ilagay sa container, or ziplock, or whatever. Kasi hindi tayo kakain ng isang buuhan lang lahat. Isang kainan kasi. Yung tiyan natin, guys, diba, jackfruit. Well known na ito sa, ano, magtatay. Yung jackfruit kapag marami kang kumain. Tamis. Ang tamis, ang tamis. Hi guys, na-busy po tayo sa kakaano, sa kaka-edit at sa kakausap ng family. And ulan ng ulan, kaya dito natin palabasin itong mga kigwa. Nilagay ko dito yung anek. Sinong gustong lumabas? Lemongrass natin. Dito, galit ko. Go. Liam. Ulan guys. Gusto kong iihi sila. Gusto kong iihi. Yan, iihi na si Misty. You don't pee-pee, Rocks? You don't do pee-pee. Good girl, Misty. You pee. ulan sa labas, guys. Look what movie I can watch here. Say hi to everyone.
Hi guys. That's very weird.
That's really weird. Is that really weird, love?
Very weird.
Just you know, just stay in bed and then listen. You know, you can hear the noise, honey. Just open the door.
Yeah.
No, you always wake up, and I know that about you. I don't know. There's a lot of movie.
I'll pick one.
Ah, you're watching Mom.
Well, it was Last Man Standing and then switched to Mom. I was going to watch Bones, but I can't watch it here. You know, some of the channels you can't watch unless you're in Europe. Scary movies are good.
Oh, it's not scary. It's kind of like killing. It's like unhinged. Unhinged?
No.
Unhinged.
Unhinged? Is that unhinged?
I would think that's what it is. I'm not seeing it, so I can't tell you.
What is that all about?
I don't know, but it's unhinged. It's like you lost your mind kind of thing.
Ah, okay. I will watch this. And the actor is very popular. You know the actor in 100 shoulder? It's a 100. 100.
No.
100?
A 1,000?
No.
There is a movie, 1,000 or 100?
No.
300?
300. 300.
That movie is about a true story. You know that, right?
No, it's
It is. Yes, about like in the days of the Roman Empire kind of thing, where
that was long time ago then.
yes, but that movie is about a true story. About 300 men who stood up to armies of thousands and thousands.
Really?
And yes, they lost, but you know what? They put up a good fight for 300 lousy guys.
Ah, it's only 300 people?
That's how the name of the movie got 300.
Yeah,
That's
but in the end, I watched it. In the end, they died.
Yep, but because it was a true story, and that's how it ended.
They killed a lot?
Yeah. They sent 11,000 people against 300.
Really? I don't know how relevant is the story, and the people really strong, and they are very brave.
You can find it in history. It's a true story.
Where was it? It's in England, I guess.
No, I can't remember. It's not England. I can't remember the name of the island.
I thought unchanged, and it's not unchanged, unwind. It's not unwind, unhinged. And how did I say? How did I say it?
You said unhinged. That's not a word. So that's why I guessed it meant unhinged.
Unhinged. Unhind. Because Han, it's a H-I and then N-G, unhind.
H-I-N-G-E-D.
Yeah, because it's I-N-G. I said it's unhind.
Oh, it's I-N-G.
I-N, hold on.
Show me the picture.
Hold on. U-N-H-I-N-G-E-D.
Unhinged. I-N-G-G-E-D.
Ah, okay, because of the G.
When you read things, you're not that comfortable with the language where you're like, and sometimes you register words wrong. Like you see the spelling, but you see a different spelling. Like instead of seeing the way it's spelled, your mind automatically, you see part of the word and your mind automatically creates the word it's going to be before you see the whole word.
That's what I do. I don't even read direct. I just read in my mind what's in there.
Pretty much.
I just kind of, my eyes is moving, but my brain is like reading different things. I have a problem, right?
Well, it's not a problem. A lot of people do that. That's a method they use for speed reading, where your mind kind of like figures out the rest of it. You don't have to read everything.
Yeah, this is not a speed reading, honey. This is not a speed reading. This is dumbest reading.
Enjoy your movie, hon.
I love you.
I love you too. I'll shut the lights back off.
Okay, me too.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hey guys, we're gonna watch Unhinged. Okay? Where is it? Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. I'm just going to watch this movie. And thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. So yun. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.